Hello students, let us solve the question of mensuration. First question is 3 cubes each of side 5 centimeter are joined end to end. Find the surface area of resulting cuboid. So there are 3 cubes, 1, 2, 3, joined end to end. So then cuboid is formed. We have to find out its surface area. So we can mention here first length of cuboid form L equals to 5 plus 5 plus 5, 15 centimeter. Breadth of cuboid B equals to, this is the breadth, it will remain as it is, 5 centimeter. And height of the cuboid formed H equals to, it is also same, 5 centimeter. Now we have to calculate surface area. So you know surface area of cuboid equals to 2 LB plus BH plus HL. 2 L 15 centimeter, breadth 5, breadth 5, height 5, L 15. So let us do calculation. 2 15 5 is 75 plus 5 5 is 25 plus 5 15 is 75. So when we add 75 150 and 25 175. So 175 into 2, correct? So 2 into 175 equals to, when you multiply, it is 2 5 are 10, 2 7 are 14, 115, 2 1 are 213, 350 centimeter square. Because this is surface area, that's why its unit is square unit. Sides are given in centimeter, that's why we can write here centimeter square. So this is the answer. Let us solve, student, one more question. A cubical block of side 14 centimeter is surmounted by a hemisphere. Find the surface area of the solid. To find the surface area, let us draw the diagram first. You can see in the diagram, it is a cube of side 14 centimeter and this is a hemisphere. It is surmounted. So students, the diameter of the base of a hemisphere is 14 centimeter. It is equal to the side of the cube. Okay. So we can mention here side of the cube equals to 14 centimeter. Therefore, diameter of hemisphere equals to 14 centimeter. Correct? So how can we find out its surface area? To get its surface area, we can first find out total surface area of cuboid plus curved surface area of hemisphere minus area of base. Correct? So it's a total surface area plus curved surface area of hemisphere. Now we have to subtract the area of base. So students, surface area of solid equals to total surface area of cube plus curved surface area of hemisphere minus area of base of hemisphere. Because this portion will be hidden by the base of hemisphere, that's why the area of base of hemisphere is subtracted. So total surface area of cube 6a square, curved surface area of hemisphere 2 pi r square minus area of base of hemisphere pi r square. So it will be equals to 6a square plus pi r square. From 2 pi r square 1 pi r square is subtracted. Correct? Let us put the value 6. Side of cube 14 centimeter. So we can write 14 two times. Pi value 22/7. Radius of hemisphere, the diameter of hemisphere is 14. So radius will be half 7. So 7 into 7. 7 cancel. Let's multiply it. 14 6 is 84. 84 into 14 plus 154. Now multiply first. 14 4 is 56. Carry 5. 14 8 is 112. Or 5 117 plus 154. 14 4 is 56. Carry 5. 14 8 is 112 or 5 117 plus 154. Let us add both of them. 6 4 10. Carry 1. 7 5 12 1 13. Carry 1. 1 1 2 1 3. 1 as it is. 6 4 10. Carry 1. 12 1 1 13. Carry 1. 1 1 2 1 3. 1 as it is. It's centimeter square, because this is area and we know that the unit of area is square unit. Sides are given in centimeter, that's why we have to write here centimeter square. So students, remember, when two or more figures are joined together, we have to find out its surface area. Then in this case, cube and hemisphere are there. So to calculate its whole surface area, we can take total surface area of cube plus curved surface area of hemisphere, and because this part will be hidden by the base of hemisphere. That's why we have to subtract area of base of hemisphere. Okay students.